Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about whether Questrade has any account minimums. When it comes to Questrade, there are no minimums to open a self-directed investing account, like a TFSA or a margin account. You can open the account and fund it with any amount. However, to start trading, you will need to fund your account with a minimum of $250. This initial deposit allows you to begin placing trades. It's also important to note that some specific investment products have their own minimums. For example, to invest in a Quest Wealth portfolio, which is their robo-advisor service, you need to contribute a minimum of $250. Also, certain securities like bonds or IPOs have minimum purchase requirements, often starting at $5,000. So, while there is no minimum to open a basic trading account, a deposit of $250 is required to start trading. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.